Hi there, and welcome. Thanks for joining us today. We're interns with the University of Hawaii at Hilo with the Counseling Services, a free and confidential service to students. Today, we want to talk to you a little bit about our services and what we offer. I'm Ekaterina.
I'm Tara.
And I'm Summer.
So, as we mentioned, Counseling Services is here for students. And Tara, do you want to talk to us about where Counseling Services is located?
Yeah, so Counseling Services is located on the Hilo campus, and it's kind of kitty corner from the bookstore and the cafeteria, and located kind of above the financial services. And we're located all the way at the end of the hall in room E203.
Mm-hmm.
Summer, would you like to tell people a little bit about our hours and how they can make an appointment?
Yeah, so we're keeping regular hours over the summer, and we're still here for you through the COVID-19 pandemic. So you can come in and make an appointment from 8 to 4. We also have an email appointment making now. We didn't used to. So you can email UHHCounts, that's UHHCOUNS at hawaii.edu, and we can schedule an appointment that way. You can call, you can come in person. Yeah. And we have individual and group counseling.
And another service we have is WalkIn Wednesdays. So this means you don't need an appointment, and you can just walk right in and someone will be available to see you. So that's happening on Wednesday afternoons.
Yeah, and we just also want to let you know that this could be regarding something that you're struggling with or something that you're worried about a friend who's struggling with and just want more information on how to help somebody.
Yeah, we're always here to talk. Some people feel like there's like a lot of pressure or stigma around coming into the counseling center, but we try to make it as relaxed and comfortable as possible. And we're there for you to talk.
Yeah, so feel free to let us know if, at any point in time there's something we can do to make your visit better.
And students come for a variety of reasons. It could be anything from academic stress, they're just feeling overwhelmed with their classes. I know, just transitioning to online classes has been really challenging for a lot of you, so a lot of stress around that. And all the way to students who are maybe have some concerns around more severe kind of issues, maybe regarding depression or anxiety. So those are just kind of some of the services we offer.
Yeah.
Kat, would you like to tell people a little bit about the support group that we're running?
Sure, yeah. So we have a support group that runs on Wednesdays and Fridays. Wednesdays it is at 11 a.m. and Fridays at 2 p.m. So you can join us. You can find our information on our website. Simply type in Hilo Counseling Services on Google and we should pop up. Our latest information is right there on our front page. Summer, would you like to tell us a little bit about what's going to be kind of our structure in those?
Yeah, so the video you're watching now that we're making is going to be a lot like what these groups are like. So it's going to be the three of us. We're going to have a topic, but then we're also going to have the flexibility to talk about other things that are related. We'll be leading some discussion, and then we're also going to be fielding questions from people who come to participate. So you can come to us with any kind of questions you have that you think are relevant and you think would be helpful for you or others to understand more perspective on. And yeah, so we'll kind of just be here. We'll be talking, students will be talking, and there's no pressure to attend all the groups, and also there's no shame in just coming to every single one too. We'd love to have you.
Yeah, and just another thing about our support group, the kind of overarching theme is just providing support during this pandemic. I know a lot of people are going through stressful times related to COVID-19, whether that's change in jobs or living situations or loss of job, just change in schooling. All of that is very stressful, and so we just wanted to be here and provide a little extra support.
Well, we hope to see you there.
All right, thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.